Folks, ever feel like typing on your Mac or iPhone is just eating up your day? You answer emails between meetings or try to keep up with messages, and suddenly hours are gone. There has to be a faster way. And that's exactly what we're exploring today. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video we're trying out Willow voice on Mac and iOS to see how it can make your work life less stressful. I'll show you how it turns your voice into clean, formatted text that fits the app you are using and matches the tone you want. With this tool you will spend more time actually getting things done. We'll start on Mac, move to iPhone, and finish with how everything syncs to keep you productive anywhere. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this AI powerhouse is all about. Guys, Willow is an AI-powered voice typing platform that works on your Mac and iPhone. It's more than simple built-in dictation. It understands context, formats your text automatically, and even adapts to your style. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set it up, see a real workflow that saves hours, and get an exclusive promo code. Let's start with the Mac version. Download Willow from the official website and install it. Folks, on first launch, it will request microphone and accessibility permissions. Both are essential. The idea is simple. See a text box on your screen, hold the FN key and start speaking. Willow types in any app, emails, editors, or messengers. For example, guys, you can see the transcription of my words appearing in the history log. Then let's open Gmail, fill in the subject and dictate this text. Friends, let's try an example email. I let Sarah know that the Q4 marketing campaign brief had been reviewed and that the video assets should be ready by December 15th. And just look at how fast the text appears, with Willow automatically adding all the punctuation, capital letters, and formatting the paragraphs. An entire email is ready 4 times faster than if I typed. But mates, the real advantage isn't just speed, it's accuracy. All technical terms and complex phrases are recognized perfectly on the first try. Even if I stumble or mispronounce something, Willow catches it. It's 3 times more accurate than Mac's built-in dictation, so you don't waste time fixing mistakes. One of Willow's most useful features is the custom dictionary. You can add specialized terms like Midjourney, Claude, Anthropic, or Willow Voice, and they will be recognized instantly. Adding a term is simple. Just type it in and hit add. The system covers entries you add yourself. There are also theme terms and the ones it picks up automatically. Next is style matching, which adapts your writing to different types of communication. Guys, there are 3 categories: casual, work messages, and email. Casual is for personal chats, work for professional correspondence, and email for formal business. Within informal writing, you can choose formal, casual, or extremely casual, adjusting punctuation and tone. Friends, Willow automatically detects your app and applies the right style. iMessage defaults to casual, Gmail to professional, but you can switch manually for any message. 2 other powerful features make it indispensable: formatting and filler word removal. I open notes, create a new note, and dictate naturally just holding FN. I recorded myself talking about the new tutorial project and suggested focusing on 3 topics: an introduction to AI tools, practical applications, and advanced workflows. My speech was casual, with lots of fillers, but Willow cleaned it up perfectly. Mates, it removed all filler words, turned everything into a numbered list, added proper punctuation, and split the text into clear paragraphs. This saves time. You just speak naturally, and Willow formats everything automatically. It's great for long documents or jotting down ideas on the go. On data security, Willow uses enterprise-grade SOC 2 and HIPAA-certified encryption. Thanks to its zero data retention policy, voice recordings and transcriptions aren't stored after processing. On top of that, companies like Uber, Salesforce, and other large ones already use this platform because Willow's security and privacy are top-notch. Friends, the settings menu lets you customize a lot. Enable the assistant, mute notifications, launch at login, and more. You can even use auto-detect to speak in any language. And everything you set up on Mac is only half of it. The same account works on your iPhone, and all your settings and custom dictionary entries sync automatically. This way, you get the same productivity on every device. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Mates, now let's switch to iPhone. The iOS app brings the same powerful features to your mobile device. Now folks, imagine this. You're on the go, just tested a new VA tool, and your head is full of ideas for a future video. Before, you'd either try to type them slowly on your phone and lose half the details, or just forget them completely. With Willow, you simply open Notes, switch to the Willow keyboard, and dump all your thoughts as they come. Now I'll start dictating an outline for a new tutorial. I hit the check mark, and mates, there it is. You can see I dictated completely chaotically, interrupting myself, switching ideas on the fly. That's exactly how real notes look when you're on the move, trying to capture thoughts while they are fresh. You can see Willow has transformed all that chaotic brain dump into a fully structured, clear outline. Friends, from a jumble of thoughts, the tool creates a logical, professional-toned workflow with proper wording and sequence. It took 30 seconds, just one button. I would say that in a regular phone keyboard, this would take me 10 minutes, and I might still lose some details or forget something. This is real mobile productivity. And remember guys, all your custom dictionary terms from Mac work perfectly here too. Alright my friends, that's a wrap. Willow Dictation makes typing on Mac and iPhone fast, accurate and effortless. It handles everything seamlessly, so you can save over an hour a day. So whether you're at your desk or on the go, this tool keeps your workflow smooth and your ideas organized. Your preferences sync automatically across devices, so everything stays consistent. Compared to dictation tools like WhisperFlow, Super Whisper and Aqua Voice, Willow is much faster and more accurate. It's also fully private thanks to secure SOC 2 and HIPAA compliance. And because it adapts to your writing style, you spend less time editing and more time actually creating. I've also found it to be simpler to use. Folks, if you're ready to supercharge your productivity, download it and try it yourself. It's completely free to get started. You'll soon wonder how you ever worked without it. Just use the code DanielTech20 when you sign up and start typing smarter today. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.